Hey there! In this video, I'll show you how to buy NASDAQ stocks on Interactive Brokers step by step. I'll be showing you this on TWS, which is their desktop application. First, double-click the TWS icon on your desktop to open it, enter your username and password, then click Login. If it's your first time logging in, you'll be asked to choose a workspace template. The Mosaic template is the one most traders use. If you've logged in before, you'll see your saved workspace. Next, add the stock symbol to your watch list. In the Mosaic watchlist panel, find the symbol column and type in the ticker symbol for the stock you want to buy, something like AAPL for Apple or MSFT for Microsoft. Once you type it in, you should see the symbol appear, and you may need to confirm it's a stock by selecting STK from the contract type options. Now, to create a buy order, click on the offer price, that's the ask price in the stocks row. An order entry area should open where you can set up your order details. In the order entry panel, enter the number of shares you want to buy in the QTY field, type in your quantity. Next, choose your order type from the order type drop-down menu. You'll see options like MKT for market order or LMT for limit order. A market order executes immediately at the current ask price. A limit order lets you set a specific price you're willing to pay. It'll only fill at that price or better. All TWS orders default to day limit orders, so if you want a market order, you'll need to change it. If you selected a limit order, you'll need to enter your limit price in the LMT price field. Type in the maximum price per share you're willing to pay. This field becomes active once you've selected limit as your order type. You can also review the time in force dropdown if you want to change how long the order stays active. The default is day, which means the order expires at the end of the trading day if it doesn't fill. You can change it to GTC for good till canceled or other options depending on your needs. Finally, click the submit button at the bottom of the order entry panel to send your order. If you want to review the order details first, you can click preview before submitting. Once you hit submit, the order moves to the orders window. Your order will appear in the orders window, which shows all orders by default. You can use the drop-down to filter by live orders, canceled orders, or completed orders. Once your order fills, the shares will appear in your portfolio window with your other positions. That's it. You've successfully placed your first NASDAQ stock order on Interactive Brokers.